So hey folks, I'm in Maui at the Snapdragon Summit, and this is actually a demo of the new 17 times larger fingerprint sensor, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that Qualcomm just announced. So let's check that out.
Okay, so what we see over here is the blue rectangle where the 3D Sonic Max sits. It's a much larger area, as you rightly pointed, 17 times the size of the previous generation, which was a 4mm by 9mm. So this is 30 millimeters by 20 millimeter, giving you a whopping 600 millimeter square of active sensing area.
That's a lot of space.
Yeah, so, and you can see we've also improved on latency. So it's really supposed like what we call the blind unlock. I'm not looking at my phone right now,
Yeah.
but I'm able to unlock
You're just
it.
roughly touching that giant area on the,
That's right.
on the display, yeah.
And so that was one of the reasons we chose a 20 by 30 size. It's pretty convenient. You know, your thumb's not going to be hitting any other area, ergonomically speaking. So,
Cool. Well, awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for the
You're
demo.
welcome.
These are two reference phones running Snapdragon 865. But what's interesting is they're running Dolby Vision. So this is a recording that was made in Dolby Vision on the right side and a standard non-Dolby Vision recording on the left. And what you need to look at here is how much more there is in terms of color and dynamic range. Look at how blown out the background stuff is. But PJ here is going to talk to us a little bit. Hey, PJ.
Hey, thanks for having me.
About this. So this is a Dolby Vision TV right now, yeah?
Absolutely.
And it's playing content that was recorded using Dolby Vision capture, which is the big news is the capture part.
Absolutely. So we've had Dolby Vision displays for a long time. You go to the movies, you see stuff in Dolby Vision. So now 865 is going to be the first device that can capture in Dolby Vision. So these are 865 devices. They have Dolby Vision displays, but you also have Dolby Vision displays in your home. Look, if you're doing any more holiday shopping, you should not be buying a television that's not Dolby Vision certified.
But what's amazing, I feel here, is like, this particular shot that we saw was the sun. Like normally you'd get, the person would have been disappeared.
Dark,
video,
exactly.
Right?
So because it's Dolby
right
Vision,
there.
they have extreme dynamic range. So you can capture things that are extremely bright and extremely dark at the same time.
Yeah.
So before they told you never shoot into the sun, never shoot into the sun. Now you can shoot into the sun and you can still maintain detail. So this would be a proper shot and you get great skin tones. Things like here.
Yeah, right there. They're under the pier. Like you could not see anything about the forefront.
Exactly.
And even in this shot, like the people would be really washed out normally.
Exactly.
So if you're familiar with HDR video recording, this is the same thing by cranked to 11, right?
Exactly. Standard dynamic range had like 16.7 million shades of color. Now we get HDR Dolby Vision with over 1 billion shades of color. There's no wrong way to shoot. You can shoot into the suns, still capture really bright stuff, really stark stuff, and you get this beautiful exposure.
Fantastic.
Movie cinema stuff right here.
Thanks so much, PJ. So folks, if you want more, stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe, please like, please comment below, and also hit the little notification bell to find out when the next video comes. Stay tuned for more. Cheers.